Everest Spices for more than 50 years has helped cooks create tasty dishes with its range of pure and blended spices. As one of India's leading spice brands, Everest Spices strives to run efficient processes to help ensure that prime-quality products reach customers fresh from the factory. Objective: provide access to a single digital platform across regions and geographies for daily operations and management analytics for quick and accurate decisions. Obtain online information on operational costs with SAP S/4HANA Enterprise Management and take quick decisions on sales prices. Improve access to other online information systems like Botry for downstream supply chain, across platforms with better sales and management reporting for clear visibility across geographies. Why SAP and SAVIC Technologies Private Limited. Achieve a rapid deployment using the SAP Registered Activate methodology. Gain inside statistics on approvals and finances from SAP Fiori apps. Improve the efficiency of its auto-dispatch process by 20%. Use real-time insights to support more efficient operations across every part of the business. Increase data accuracy thanks to automated, intelligent processes. Value-driven results. End-to-end implementation was achieved within agreed timelines to realize ROI without any project time overruns. Mobile app for Mundi purchases, unorganized vendor base accessibility. Financial and management reporting through a single system. Top benefits achieved. 100% stock tracking along the supply chain. 20% daily dispatch quantity increase. 100% improved information. 100% increased synchronization. With the real-time insights provided by SAP S/4HANA, we're able to react quickly to identify and resolve any issues in our supply chain, helping ensure that our products reach customers in optimal condition. We sincerely hope that the arrangements we made for you were satisfactory to you. SAVIC is delighted to have you as our business partner.